Hi there and welcome back. So I figured with Valentine's Day fast approaching, I better do a little something to be festive. So let me show you what I've come up with. In my kitchen, I added this faux barn door, which I made years ago, to the top of a small cabinet. Don't mind the little paint sample that's hanging out. I keep moving it around the house. I'm trying to figure out what color to paint my kitchen. So anyways, in front of the barn door, I placed a milk glass cake plate, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. And then on top of that, I have this very cute teapot and this recent find of, it's either a gravy boat or a creamer. Regardless, I love the pink little flowers and it matches pretty well to the teapot. And I just shared this find in my last Thrift Shop Hop. If you haven't seen that, I will link it down below for you. And to that mix, I added this adorable palest of pink teacup and saucer set, which I think is so adorable. And of course, a teeny tiny little spoon to stir my tea. I added a pre-made bouquet that I picked up at Michael's into the teapot for a little softness and floral accent. I love decorating with these bouquets. And then I'm going to add some fabric hearts that I've made in past years into the creamer to add a little softness. I will have a tutorial that I can share with you for all three of these hearts that I've made, and I think that looks so adorable. And then to add just a little bit more color and texture, I'm going to add these little tiny yarn hearts to the very front of the cake plate, and I think that should do it. I think it looks super adorable and oh so pretty. You may remember I have a small growing collection of vintage Valentine boxes, so of course I had to add that into the mix. This one here is a vintage inspired DIY project from a couple years ago. I love how it turned out. I can share the tutorial with you down below. And then this little gem was just recently found at an occasional sale, and then to round out the look I added a vintage Valentine. Well, out antiquing with my mom and my daughter, I found this adorable Valentine card. So of course I had to add that into the mix as well. And then I just scattered a few other random Valentines, along with a couple more of the yarn hearts just to finish things off. For the barn door itself, I strung some baker's twine across so that I can hang up some of my vintage Valentines. I'm getting quite the collection, so I wanted to be able to hang up as many as I could. So here I am using some small clothespins that I picked up at Michael's, but I ran out of those, so then I started just using paper clips, and that worked just fine as well. And this is the finished look. Alright my friends, so that is the look that I'm going to be using for Valentine's Day this year. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would love to know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.